baby? Heart shape. Very good. Okay, you may not take your seat. How about you, Ate Celine? What shape is this? Stand up. Stand up, baby. Okay, so Ate Celine, this is heart shape. How about you, Aubrey? Aubrey, will you please put down your phone? This one. Heart shape. Okay, how about you, Ate